I have created this video as a review to assist in instructing you as the designer on how to correct several ethical and visual issues that may be detrimental to the product, organization, or society in general. Visual communication ethics encompasses so many things, but one of the most socially impacting issues is visual stereotyping. Media communication frequently uses images and visuals that are familiar to a specific culture. However, the use of culture-familiar images and visuals can cross the line and become a visually stereotyped depiction of that culture. Let's review the poster you created to bring awareness to the Ohio River Cleanup Project, as requested by your client. The image being utilized on the poster is perpetuating negative social ideas. The poster has been created to bring awareness to a very positive social awareness project. The image is very negative and demeaning, as the child being utilized is only African American, in dirty clothing, malnutrition, looks sad and hungry. This image is not in any way, shape, or form what should be utilized to bring awareness to a very positive project. This image is obviously a child in need and should not be utilized. Although we are pushing for all hands on deck, implementing the photographs on the poster of celebrities will provide the wrong impression. This poster depicts celebrity endorsements of Oprah, Selena Gomez, David Beckham, and even Angelina Jolie. Adding these images without the celebrity's endorsement is false information or even promises being provided. Adding these images could assist in participation with the project. However, none of the celebrities are endorsing this project. This is a severe ethical concern that could potentially end in a lawsuit for the organization in which you are working for. Let's now discuss the image I have shared with you that is more socially acceptable for the project. The image encompasses multiple individuals, smiling and assisting one another with the cleanup. The image shows these individuals with bags to put the trash in, as well as gloves that would be necessary for the Ohio River Cleanup Project. This image is more acceptable in all cultures and would promote the project more positively rather than the other image being so negative. You must be sure to choose images that promote positive aspects and minimize negative assumptions regarding certain cultures or races. Organizations all over the world need to be aware of the multitude of visual stereotypes that accompany so many cultures. Using images that do not visually stereotype a particular culture, race is tremendously important to keep strong bonds with clients as well as employees and socially.